Weather briefing before I call it a night down here. It's like 11:30. Gotta get up early in the morning to go take care of something. Hopefully I can get it straightened out by the time the event begins. I'm trying to get GR2 analyst to pop up. But anyway, while I wait on that to pop up, we have a moderate risk out for tomorrow. And what are the probabilities of a watch getting issued down here? Huh. So there is one in North Dakota. Right when I think they're done, the more get issued. Oh my God, are you kidding me? We've got McLean, Mercer, Ward County, and then Campbell, Corson County in north central South Dakota, and Sioux County in North Dakota, and Jones County. They're just putting watches out ahead of all this. So what triggered the warning down here? So the law enforcement up here can report a funnel cloud. Let me jump down to northeast Missouri. Appanoose, Davis County. Well, southwest Davis County, southeast Appanoose County. It originally was for south central Monroe, Appanoose, and southwest Davis. And the Weather Service in Pleasant Hill has put a warning out for Schuyler County, eastern Putnam County, northern Adair County, and northeastern Missouri. That includes, it's heading in the general direction of Kirksville and Adair County. Of course, I gotta use Des Moines to see this one. Wait to see this one. Okay. We'll probably see a watch get issued after I turn this thing off and call it a night. We got watches out for Sioux Falls and vicinity, along with western South Dakota. Well, that's weird. That watch goes until 5 a.m. Those folks are gonna have a long night up there. Okay, the moderate risk, when I woke up this morning, it included Grand Rapids, Michigan. That's the only change I see. Well, substantially. It originally went from a line from Milwaukee to, I think, Grand Rapids. If I go to the props, still on it. Yeah, but they're in the enhanced risk now. They were in a moderate risk when I woke up this morning. It just got shifted further southward, and it got shifted a little further east. It doesn't include Toledo yet, but it includes the west suburbs, like, well, it includes everything points west there. It includes Hillsdale County, southeast Michigan, along with the far southwest Michigan counties, probably including Kalamazoo as well, and probably Battle Creek. Right there. Smack dab it goes from the, I think, Rockford area to Janesville, points east to northwest Ohio. Anyone north of a line from Lafayette to Kokomo to Marion is involved in that moderate risk in northern Indiana. Okay. They're talking about this. It says from mid to late afternoon through the overnight hours air mass to the south of the warm front mentioned in the synopsis will quickly warm up with temperatures expected. Oh yeah. The air is sitting on a powder keg. It's supposed to reach the 90s tomorrow early afternoon. In the upper Mississippi Valley, okay, a low level of southwesterly winds will help advect moisture into the region, with this warm and moist environment supporting strong stability by the mid-afternoon. Warm temperatures aloft will also be advented into the region, with the associated capping likely preventing convective initiation until the late afternoon. Diurnal heating coupled with increased forcing for ascent associated with the approaching shortwave trough and an attendant surface low. I think that any storms that are firing in that low will have an enhanced tornado threat. That's what I'm thinking right now. And oh crap, and they're expected to overcome this convective inhibition by the late afternoon with explosive thunderstorm development once this occurs. Most likely location for initial thunderstorm development will be near the triple point. Vertical wind profiles will be very supportive of updraft rotation with all severe hazards possible. Greatest tornado threat will be in the vicinity of the warm front backed, where the back surface winds are possible. This initial development is expected to quickly grow upscale into a unidirectional flow supportive of a severe mesoscale convective system capable of a large area of damaging wind gusts. Current guidance suggests the corridor most likely to see these damaging wind gusts will be from southern Wisconsin, northern Illinois, southeastward across northern Indiana, southern lower Michigan, and northwest Ohio. Some trimming of the northeast extent of the moderate risk area from the previous outlook was done to account for the anticipated southeasterly mesoscale convective system motion suggested by the recent guidance. Let me check out the synopsis before I wrap this up. Wait, I want to show a couple more things. Tornado warning continues in North Dakota for a couple more minutes. They've got flood watches out, so the West Coast and Chicago and the Quad Cities aren't just concerned about the tornadoes and damaging winds. They're concerned about flooding because that might be the main threat. Okay, they have an enhanced tornado threat and near maximized damaging wind threat. If they go high risk tomorrow, it will be for damaging winds. I can almost guarantee that. Hail, enhanced to moderate. Flood, enhanced. Tornado, enhanced. There we go. We're gonna have tornadoes, and they will be moving fast at 35 to east-southeast at 35 to 40 miles an hour. I saw a storm in northeast Montana moving at 65 to the southeast. Now we're checking out the Quad Cities. Has this weather outlook. That's probably where they'll start firing up. Okay, so thunderstorms will likely be ongoing Wednesday morning, across the area. Some of these storms will be capable of producing could be severe with damaging winds at large hail and locally heavy rainfall across the area. Later in the afternoon, supercell thunderstorms could develop, especially along and north of Interstate 80. Large hail, damaging winds, heavy rainfall, and tornadoes will be possible with these storms. These storms will likely grow upscale into a large thunderstorm complex east of the Mississippi River. The Storm Prediction Center has much of the area in an enhanced or moderate risk for severe weather. With the high temperatures and high humidity across the area on Wednesday, heat indices should reach 100 to 105 south of Interstate 80. And the spotters will probably be needed tomorrow, which is no shock. I checked out what Northern Indiana had to say about that. They haven't put anything out yet, but tomorrow I guarantee you they probably will. Okay, synoptic scale feature. It's that good that are expected to strongly influence the forecast tomorrow are well defined already today with recent surface analysis showing a deepening low over southeast Montana. The latest upper air analysis revealing a belt of strong westerly northwesterly flow across much of the northern third of the Jonas and